Hi everyone, it's Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really fun holiday throw pillow. It's just made with some iron-on vinyl and this cute design that is available in my Etsy shop. So let's get started. For our fun holiday pillows, we are going to start with these 20-inch pillow inserts. I got these for free from fairfieldworld.com. To do this post with, but these pillows are amazing. They're nice and fluffy, and they hold their shape really well, and they are just really great pillows, perfect for decorating. We're also going to use these blank pillow covers. I got these at Hobby Lobby, but you can really find these just about anywhere or even online. And we are also going to use some iron-on vinyl. The design we are going to use is one that I created, and you can find it in my Etsy shop. I've already got it downloaded into Cricut Design Space and on my canvas. I have doubled it since I'm making 2 pillows, and the design file actually comes with 5 different words that you can put here in this tailgate. So I've selected my words, and now I am ready to make it. And I'm actually going to move this tree up here because it still fits, just to conserve some mat or some iron-on. I'm going to click up here onto the mat preview because I want to make sure that I am mirroring each of those mats. Since we are using iron-on, those mats need to be mirrored so that my words and everything will view the right way. And now that I'm ready to cut, I'm just going to click here on continue, and it will send it to my Cricut Explore Air to cut. We're going to start with the black iron-on vinyl, and when applying iron-on, you want to make sure and put the shiny side of the vinyl down onto the mat. So we're just going to put that on the mat, line it up, and lay it down. Now we're ready to cut, so we're going to go ahead and open the machine. Our light is blinking, so we're ready to load the mat. And then once this light blinks, it's ready to cut. Next is our green mat, and we've got the iron-on already, shiny side down. Now I'm going to bring in my 24-inch mat with my red iron-on. We're going to load it and cut the design. And the second red mat. Now we are going to weed our pieces of iron-on vinyl. And what weed means is to remove those pieces of vinyl that we don't want in our design. So we're keeping the words and we're removing the negative. Now I've got my awesome weeding tool here. It kind of looks like a dentist pick. These are awesome to help you weed. They really grab that and help you pull it away. The Cricut Bright Pad is also very helpful. It's just a light pad that helps you see those lines so you know exactly where to weed. But I know that using the light pad makes it harder for you to see. So I'm not going to use it this time, but it is a great tool. And we are going to weed our iron-on vinyl. I always like to start in the corner. Now that we're done weeding all of our pieces, now it's time for the fun part of assembling our pillow and applying the iron-on. Now, according to our heat guide on Cricut.com, according to the fabric content of our pillow cover and the type of vinyl we're using, we want a temperature of 330 and a pressure of 30 seconds. So I've got that all ready to go, and I am going to be using the largest easy press. This is the 12 by 10. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our pillow cover, take it out of the package, and we are going to iron it. Now this one happens to have a little cardboard piece in there, so we're going to take that out. And we are going to use our Easy Press to iron that out. And since this pillow cover has a zipper here on the back, I'm actually going to put a towel inside because I don't want those marks from the zipper to come through on my iron-on. So we are going to put this inside. And we are going to start applying our pieces to see about where we want them placed. And I like that placement. I think that is good. So now we are ready to use our Cricut Easy Press. And since this is larger than the flat surface of our Easy Press, we're going to do it in 2 applications. So we're going to start over here, making sure that we're covering that entire heat transfer. Okay. Now I like to have the Easy Press Mini nearby just because then I can go over it. Any little pieces, corners that I can tell aren't quite sticking, I can just go over it and add just a little bit more heat to those areas. Okay, and then we're going to let this cool. According to the website, it says a warm peel, but we don't want it to be a hot peel, just a warm peel. So we need to let it cool for just a moment before we peel. We've let this sit for a couple minutes and even waved it a little bit. It's still warm to the touch, but I can actually touch it. It's not so hot. So now I'm going to go ahead and peel. And there is our first part of our truck. Now we're going to add the second part of our truck. Just make sure that that's at the right angle for our tree. Yep, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to apply that. And I'm actually going to use, because I don't want to burn anything, so I'm just going to cover that all up with this iron-on sheet here. And again, we're going to let this sit for a couple minutes and cool before we peel that up. All right, so now we're going to peel this one up. It's looking like a truck. Okay, now let's add our tree to the back. All right, that looks good. Again, we're gonna use this little protective sheet. And we are going to add our Easy Press. Okay, and then while this one is cooling, let's go ahead and add our word. We're going to do believe in this one. Now, of course, if you wanted to, you could do believe in red as well, but, or any color really. Okay, that looks good. All right, so now we're going to let it cool. Now that these have cooled, and take off that backing, that clear backing. There's our tree. So cute! And our believe. Now our pillow from Fairfield is a 20-inch pillow, and the pillow cover that we created was an 18 by 18 pillow cover. That is because you actually want the pillow to be slightly larger than the cover so that you make sure it fills up that pillow really nicely and makes it nice and plump. So let's go ahead and take this out of the bag, and we're going to put it into our pillow cover, our fun, festive, believe pillow cover. And we're going to get those corners of the pillow into the corners of the pillow cover. Shove them in there. Okay. Make sure all of our corners look good. And then we're gonna zip it up. Where's the zipper at? Zip it up. And ta-da! Look at how stinking cute that is. Super festive, really fun, believe. And I made another one that says Christmas. I love these pillows. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'd love for you to follow me on YouTube so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials, as well as you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.